some. I have to put this in first.
You're weird.
That'll be gross.
This is so nice.
Feral. But not make it too big. Looks like alcohol.
Where does your mum go? Yeah.
Hairdresser's in Maria. Not too bad. Oh, I hate when I'm not at work. I want to go back to work now. I get free chocolate milk.
You want to leave me to go back to work?
I get free food and I get free chocolate milk.
I get lemonade at my work. Let's have fun with it.
Hey, I know. Please.
Anyway. Oh, yeah, that's one.
Rubbing your bum all
It's
over
still
me.
recording. You're weird.
It's actually nice. That's disgusting. Looks kind of looks like a little chocolate milk.